Let's go ahead and take a look at how easy it is to install applications from the Apps and Services page. We'll click on the Apps and Services page here, and you'll see a listing of all of the software that you can install on your computer. Before you do that, however, it's important that you download and install the Adobe Application Manager. The Adobe Application Manager is the desktop application to download and install any Creative Cloud desktop application. There are two ways to install the Adobe Application Manager. You can either click on this button here to download it, or you can click on one of the products to download and the Adobe Application Manager will be downloaded with it. It's also important to note here that before you start installing these programs, if you're running any kind of betas, it's a good idea for you to uninstall those betas before the install process. Let's go ahead and click on download here. We'll go ahead and click on the OK button, and a file will be downloaded to your computer. Let's go ahead and run that file. I'm going to click on the open button, and now the software is downloading the Adobe Application Manager. Now, the Adobe Application Manager is going to make some changes to your computer. So whatever username and password you use for logging into your computer, that's what you're going to put in here. Let's go ahead and click on the OK button. Now we're installing the Application Manager. At this point, you'll be asked to sign in with your Adobe ID. This is the ID that you would use to log in to your Adobe Creative Cloud. Let's go ahead and click on Sign In. You'll be asked to accept an Adobe Application Manager Software User Agreement. Read through the agreement and click on Accept. Now you'll see a list of all of the software that you can install on your desktop. Now I want to set up a website without having to do code. I'm going to go ahead and install Adobe Muse. To install it, I'm going to click on the Install button here. You'll see that now it starts downloading. Once you see the downloading display, your application has begun the download process and you can let it run in the background. You can also select several items at once and the Adobe Application Manager will queue these up to download and install. No need to enter a serial number. The entire download and install process will complete with no more dialogues to go through. Once it's completed downloading, it's going to start extracting and installing. Now your application has been installed on your computer. Click on the Launch App button to start it.